No,
10 divided by 4.
5.
I'll read that number as a decimal.
25.
2,500, yeah. I'm going to convert from a decimal to a percent.
25%.
25%? How do we do that?
Because 25 over 100.
Because 25 out of 100? I'm going to play my house, y'all in a minute. What we doing?
Started from the bottom, now my whole team.
Try your what?
Your house.
Try your house. What we going to do? What numbers in the house?
1.
So we know that we have our part out of our home. We have to know that when we get there, we don't even have our home. First of all, I wanted you all to relate Drake, starting from the bottom, now we're here. And when you get there, we know we need to do something. What do we need to do, class?
Divide.
We need to divide. And it always tells us what number should be in the house. If I want to verbalize, if I want to say, if I want to talk about this fraction again, I know that I have my part out of my whole. What do I have?
Part out of my whole.
This also can be called what instead of a part? What's another word?
Oh, I forgot.
I'm going to
Numerator.
say good. Everybody say numerator.
Numerator.
So I know that my numerator is in the what?
House.
So I even think about top in, bottom out. I done did 3 ways that fast to tell you how you never confuse what number should be being divided. And I'm also going to give you another word. It's called the dividend. Say dividend.
Dividend.
Do you hear the ending of that word?
Yes.
Yes.
It's in, but it's spelled E-N-D if I write it for you, but I want you to be thinking of the sound of it. Dividend. So that means it should be what? In the
Yeah.
house. So if I want to talk about the part being what? In. The part is my 1, it's in, or it's my,
Numerator.
or it's my. The more vocabulary that you have about a subject, the better you are. The more vocabulary that you have about a skill, the better that you are. So when you in your partners and you're talking in groups, you should be using those words and changing them in and out. So I want you to have those vocabulary words in your journal right now. Dividend, numerator, and what?
Denominator.
Hold on, I'm just focusing on this part right here. I'm sorry. Part. It's the part out of the whole. And so now let's talk about the bottom. What do we know about the bottom of our fraction?
It's the denominator.
It's the denominator.
It's the total of how many pieces?
It's the total of the pieces. So instead of saying part, we're going to say what?
Denominator. Outside. Whole.
Whole. So part and whole. Numerator, denominator. Dividend. Does anyone know what this is called? Not the dividend, but it starts with a D. I'm going to tell you that. It starts with a D. It's how I'm sharing my parts evenly. How I'm sharing my pieces evenly. What you think? Divisor. Say divisor, everyone.
Divisor.
All that wonderful vocabulary.
You didn't drop the mic. You need to drop it.